Hey Eric, what you doing?
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's going on?
Nothing much. Just had a couple questions for you.
Oh yeah, what you got?
So, what's the biggest mistake that people make whenever they're throwing a punch?
Number one mistake that I see when people throw a punch is not bringing their hips with them, not actually using the full power they have with their punch. So I know a lot of guys that are my size or bigger, we tend to actually push our punches, okay? So when I say push your punch, meaning that you don't actually use your footwork, you just throw the damn thing, right? The issue with that is a guy your size might be able to knock somebody out, but you're only gonna be able to generate so much energy if you push your punch, okay? What I mean by push your punch, meaning using your chest muscle, a little bit of momentum, but more chest muscle, and you're bench pressing somebody, okay? Truly, guys, the correct way to actually do this is to use your hips, okay? Remember, energy for this punch, for a knockout punch, is generated from the ground up, okay? So if you take a look at my feet, okay, look at my hips, you wanna be able to turn your foot, you wanna pivot your foot, okay? When you pivot your foot, look at my hips. They automatically turn, all right? If you pivot your foot and you turn your hips, you're gonna be able to throw your punch. You wanna be able to throw it. Okay, pretend this is a ball, your arm is a chain, and it's connected to your shoulder. So if I twist my hip, I'm gonna be able to generate so much force. I'm gonna be able to knock somebody out with the correct punch, okay? So here's the difference. If I do this, and I see a guy, yeah, that's probably gonna hurt a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt as much as this, right? Generate it from the ground up. Okay? Bring. So, if you guys noticed the second punch, especially the first one that came, if you guys actually whip it, I want you to whip your punch. When I whip it, I'm able to generate more force that's gonna transfer from me to the other guy, okay? So that's my number one tip, guys. Okay, don't stand in front of them and punch. You actually wanna be able to twist and throw that sucker like a ball, okay? Remember, hand starts up high, protecting your chin. Up here, throw it, and bring it back, protecting your chin, okay? So that way, you're able to protect yourself that way from right hooks. But yeah, guys, that's my number one tip for throwing the punch and for throwing the right straight, at least the haymaker they call it. That's it.